Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the smartest purchasing decisions without having to break a sweat. Today, we've got a battle of the bots. It's the XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo versus the Eureka E10s robot vacuum. Will the XIEBro sweep the floor with the competition, or will the Eureka suck up the victory? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The XIEBro comes in at a wallet-friendly $269. You could buy this vacuum and still have enough left over for a decent night out. On the other hand, the Eureka E10s will set you back a hefty $699. For that price, it better come with a butler named Jeeves, am I right? So if you're budget conscious, the XIEBro is already looking like a winner. But let's not judge a vacuum by its price tag just yet. Next, features. The XIEBro isn't just a vacuum. It's a vacuum and mop combo. It's like getting a 2-for-1 deal at your favorite fast food joint. With a 250 milliliters dust box and a 200 milliliters water tank, it's ready to tackle dust, dirt, and those pesky pet hairs. The Eureka E10s, however, is a bit more high-tech. It comes with a bagless, self-emptying station that can hold dust and debris for up to 45 days. That's like having a vacuum that goes on a month-long vacation and still does its job. Plus, it saves you $70 a year on dust bags. Cha-ching! The XIEBro's app and voice control options are pretty nifty, but Eureka's full customized app control and LiDAR navigation system are like having a vacuum with a PhD in cleanliness. Now, let's talk suction power. The XIEBro maxes out at 1,600 pascals, which is strong enough to suck up your kids' Lego bricks, if you're into that kind of thing. But the Eureka, it boasts a whopping 4,000 pascals. That's like the Hulk of vacuums. It could probably suck the wrinkles out of your clothes if it tried. So if you have a pet that sheds enough hair to knit a sweater every week, the Eureka might be your go-to. Battery life is crucial, especially if you don't want your vacuum dying halfway through its cleaning route. The XIEBro offers up to 100 minutes of cleaning on a single charge, which is great for most small to medium homes. But the Eureka E10s? It's got a marathon runner's endurance with up to 180 minutes of runtime. That's 3 hours, folks. It could clean your entire house and still have time to contemplate the meaning of life. Finally, let's talk about special features. The XIEBro has intelligent obstacle avoidance and can climb up to 15 degrees. It's like a tiny robotic goat, nimble and persistent. Meanwhile, the Eureka's LiDAR navigation and PSD technology give it the edge in precision cleaning. It's like having a vacuum with a built-in GPS. It won't miss a spot even if it tried. Based on Amazon reviews, the XIEBro robot vacuum and mop combo is praised for its strong suction power, efficient cleaning routes, and cost-effective price. However, some users have noted issues with the mop leaking and concerns about maintenance and battery life. On the other hand, the Eureka E10s robot vacuum is lauded for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and self-emptying feature. Reviewers appreciate its effectiveness on hard floors and its ability to clean under furniture, though some wish the water tank was larger and the mop had scrubbing capabilities. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that can vacuum and mop, the XIEBro is your new best friend. But if you want a high-tech, powerful machine that practically cleans your house for you, the Eureka E10s is worth the splurge. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a product showdown. Until next time, happy shopping and stay smart. Product links are in the description.